Hi guys, Shalin here. Well guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how we can completely uninstall Java from Mac. And there are two ways through which we can do that. The first one is manually process and second one is command line process, which is using terminal. So basically guys, there are few plugins that we need to delete in order to uh, uninstall the Java, and those plugins are reside in your system library folder or your users library folder. uh, but most important guys, you have to have your administrator privileges in order to complete the uninstall process. If you don't have your administrator password or your Mac password, then you won't be able to access the commands through terminal or through manual process, because every time it would ask you for your administrator password once you doing the step one or enter the commands. So I'm going to show you the manual process because that's the most prominent and the most safest way to do that. And But if you wanted to do with terminal by entering the command, then you can also do that. I'll also show you that one. So quickly I move to the first process, that is manual process. So basically there are two plugins which we need to delete, and a couple of folders. So the first one is Java applet plugin, which reside in internet plugins folder, then Java control panel, and then we have to delete Java folder from the Oracle folder, and then at last we have to remove the JDK which reside under JVM folder, which itself reside under Java folder. So I'll show you how we can complete all these steps. So first I'll go to terminal and I'll show you which Java version is installed in my system. Yeah, so that's the Java version 1.8 is installed in my system, and JVM path. So guys, that's the Java virtual machine path. So now manually how we can do that. So first we go to Finder, and in Finder we go to Go, and at the bottom we click on Go to folder. So here guys, we need to write library, or we can write this. You can write this complete statement like library and internet plugins. But I'll show you where it resides. So I go to library. So that's the library directory, and in this directory first I will search for internet plugins. Yeah, here it is. Double click on that, and then we need to delete this Java applet plugin. Java applet plugin. Okay, guys. So I'm deleting that one. Yeah, here guys, it asks for your administrator password. Okay guys, it's done. And then again come back to library directory, and then next we need to delete Java control panel plugin which reside under the preference panes. So here there is one preference panes folder. Yeah guys, here it is. So double click on that, and this you're going to delete. So delete this plugin. Okay guys, and again go back to library directory, and the third one is go to Finder and then application support Oracle and search for Java folder. So at the top we have application folder, so double click on that and search for Oracle folder and then Java. Okay, so we need to delete this folder. So every time it will ask for your administrator password. Yeah guys, it's done. So we are almost done with all the three steps. Though now the next is we have to delete the respective JVM folder like the JDK path. So where it reside guys, so basically it's in your library, and to go to library and then search for, yeah, Java. So that's the folder. So you double click on that. So here you'll get the Java virtual machine folder. Inside that you will have multiple Java versions if installed in your system. So we need to delete this folder, but we directly delete this Java folder. So guys, all done. So now guys, it's all done and Java is completely uninstalled from your system. So how we can check that? Come back to terminal, and as soon as you open the terminal, it prompts you message that unable to find any JVM machine version, no Java runtime present. And also we can check that Java version, and it will prompt you one dialog box with, to use the Java command line tool you need to install a JDK. Okay, so it means if this appears in your terminal, it means that Java is completely uninstalled from your system. And guys, second way to do the same is through command line, through terminal. So guys, what we need to do in that case, if you wish to continue with this one, then you need to open the terminal, and then yeah, and then guys, you need to enter all these, copy and paste all these three commands, okay, one by one. And then once you enter the first command, it will ask you for administrator password, then you have to enter that password, and then same goes with second and the third command. So once the second step done, then you need to delete the JDK which reside under this folder, library Java virtual machines, which I just showed you earlier through manual process. So directly after, once you done with this, you just in the terminal write cd and with this path, library Java, and after that guys, you need to write ls. This is ls, you need to write ls to get the content of, to check the content of directory. So in this Java virtual machine, you after writing this ls, you will get few JDK versions, and then you have to select the JDK according to your requirement, and write sudo rm minus rf, and then JDK 1.8. In my case, in your, it's according to your installation. uh, so you have to write that one and click enter. Then after that, again Java uninstall from your system with this method. And guys, at the end, if you wish to go the official site of Oracle, then there is one link which I put up in reference here, so you can go to this link as well. And in this link you will see the same command in the process as well. So guys, that's how we can completely uninstall Java from Mac. Okay guys, so thank you so much guys for watching my video. Keep supporting me in form of likes, uh, uh, subscribe and comments. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.